Hi, I'm Richard Mann. You know, if you're watching hunting TV and that's where you're learning to run the action on your bolt-action rifle, you're doing it wrong. I'm with Mario Marchman, Gunsite Instructor. Mario, you see a lot of people come through the rifle classes out here, have no idea how to operate the action on a bolt-action rifle.
Yeah, unfortunately, we do see that a lot, and they seem to have a problem, and they don't really have the technique down. So there's a couple different things that we like to show people that help them run that bolt and make sure that they get that shot off when they need it.
Oh, cool. You want to walk me through it?
Sure, I can do that.
All right.
Go ahead and unsling and come to a high ready position. Verify that your gun is empty. That's always important. All right, great. What we're going to do is I'll have you come on up onto target, downrange there, and once you're on target, go ahead and dry fire around. Go ahead, you're clear. Grab that bolt handle, bring it up, back as far as you can, forward and down. Very good.
Another good.
That's the movement that we like to see, that up, back, forward, and then down.
And
now,
you want people to run it hard too, right?
Absolutely, with some authority, especially this 300 Win Mag, long case. You need to be able to take that bolt all the way as far back as it'll travel in the receiver and get that empty casing out. I noticed you did it with a closed hand. You grabbed that bolt handle, and that's perfectly acceptable. We also show with an open hand. Do you want to try that?
Yeah, sure.
Bring it on up onto target. Go ahead and dry fire around. And now with your open palm, grab that bolt, bring it all the way back as far as you can, turn your palm around, forward and down. So basically the same thing, but just a different way to do it. And both ways are acceptable.
Yeah, and the important is you never take the rifle from your shoulder.
That's right, you did exactly there. You fired that shot, stayed focused on that reticle, worked the bolt, and we're right back on that target as quick as you could.
All right, well, let's try it live. All right, you got my Federal ammo.
I do.
Give me a couple rounds.
All right. There's two.
That ought to be enough.
Get our eyes and ears on. All right, come to a high ready. Chamber that round and take your time working that bolt properly.
All right.
Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Fire. Make it safe. Verify it's empty and sling it.
You look all right?
That looked great. Good work on that bolt, just the way you did it. Excellent hits on the target.
All right,
overall,
thanks, Mario.
Good job.
Hey, thanks for watching. And when are you coming to Gunsite?
Gunsite Academy, originally the American Pistol Institute, was founded by former Marine Jeff Cooper in 1976. It's the oldest civilian firearms training academy in the world, with more than 50 instructors and 26 ranges covering 3,200 acres. Gunsite Academy trains thousands of civilians, law enforcement, and military personnel each year. Often called the Harvard of handguns and the Camelot of the Great Southwest, Gunsite is freedom's backbone.